Hello everybody, hope all of you are doing wonderful. In today's world, data plays a crucial role in driving decision and powering application. A significant portion of this data reside in databases. To unlock the valuable insight stored within them, we need an effective way to query and manipulate the data. One of the most widely used language for interacting with databases is SQL. It's a versatile tool that forms the backbone of data handling in systems ranging from lightweight SQLite databases on mobile devices to MySQL servers supporting blogs and applications, and even large-scale enterprise systems like Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server, which power multi-billion-dollar organizations. Despite this variation, the foundational principle of SQL remain consistent across platforms. In this course, we will explore the essential of SQL, guiding you through its foundational concept. You will learn how to structure query to extract the information you need from database. Our focus will be on understanding the language itself, rather than diving into specific of any particular tool. And the setup required to follow along will be minimal. The goal is to help you feel confident working with SQL Basic while using an existing database. We'll cover topics like retrieving data from multiple tables, leveraging SQL feature and function, and making updates on database table. Towards the end, we will touch upon strategies to avoid common mistakes when working with SQL. By the end of this course, you will be equipped to use SQL in various applications, whether for programming, data reporting, or analysis. It will also serve as a strong foundation for more advanced topics such as database administration, complex SQL queries, and data-driven development. Let's get started.